This is Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruit, you need the roots. So we're talking about gambling, investing and speculating.
Money Mindset.
Is investing gambling? So my name's Neil Doig. This is Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruit, you need the roots. So we're talking about gambling, investing and speculating. So many people I meet say they don't want to start investing because they're scared of losing all their money. They don't want to gamble it away. And I'm here to explain about the fundamental difference between gambling, speculating and investing. So picture yourself in a Las Vegas casino. So many things are happening, lots of kind of poker games, roulette tables, lots of all that kind of things. It's a very plush hotel, lots of free drinks flowing. So why is it such a beautiful hotel? Because you as a gambler are paying for that hotel. Your money is going back into the casino. Why is that? Because the odds are against you. So gambling, you are going against the odds. So what do I mean by that? So think of a roulette table. So that roulette table is the one where you've got it's like a wheel and you spin the wheel and then the little ball goes round. So you have a choice between black or red, I think the other colour is, and green. So most of the colours, so it looks like 50-50 is black and red. But where the casino make their money is on the third colour, the green, which is 0. So it's not a 50-50 chance. There is an actual, so you have the option of having one of the bets you can bet. Is it going to be black or is it going to be red? And where the casino make their money is having the third colour, which is green. So essentially, if you continue to play that game, the mathematical odds are that you're going to lose money, that the casino will win. So if you play 1,000 times, the mathematical likelihood is that you're going to lose money over the long term. And that's gambling, that's essentially gambling. Whereas on the flip side, the mathematical odds of investing is in your favour. So in my book, Millennial Money Mindset, if you want the fruit, you need the roots, I have a graph going back to the 17th century and it shows there are lots of dips along the way, like the 1930s, we saw it in 2008 and we've seen it recently with the corona crash. But statistically, mathematically, investing over the long term is going to be better is more mathematically in your favour. Whereas gambling is mathematically against you. So you need to tilt the odds in your favour. This is why even if you go to betting companies, they're very clever. They have some of the the smartest mathematicians working for them to calculate the odds of them winning and you losing, essentially. And also where the betting companies are so clever is that when we win money, we get a little buzz, we get a little bit of excitement. There's a chemical gets released in our brains that kind of gives us a bit of a lift. I think is it dopamine or endorphin? I don't know which chemical it is, but essentially there's a chemical in our brain that gets kind of released when we win, and it means that we're more likely to go back and do the same thing because we get this reward. And this reward is addictive and it can create us to spend more money on gambling than we should do. So how do you get out of this? So essentially start investing. So go for investing rather than gambling. So gambling over the long term, you're going to lose out. Whereas investing historically and mathematically, if you follow sound principles, which I teach on my one-to-one training courses, on my football formation asset allocation online course, over the long term, you're going to win out. So think of it like you don't want to be the gambler. You want to be the owner. You want to be the owner of the casino. You don't want to be the person putting the bet on. You want to be the owner of that casino. So be the owner, not the gambler. So the casino has worked out that they're going to make money over the long term. So there's people who own that casino. They might have shares. You might be able to buy shares in casino companies. I'm sure you can around the world. And they know that mathematically they're going to win out, which is where you're going to start losing money over the long term if you're betting or if you're even speculating. Speculating is historically, there's a thing called contracts for difference, CFDs, and they all, if you look at the fine print in any kind of spread betting or any kind of trading platform, they always say it's around 74% of people lose money doing these contract for difference. This is where you're essentially betting or speculating on margin. We talk about this in other videos. But essentially, if you're trading on these particular products, 74% of people or 75% of people lose money. So imagine that. So you're going to be losing money if you're just a regular person. So essentially, the point of this video is look at the mathematical odds and go with those mathematical odds. So essentially that's why investing is going, you're tilting the odds in your favour, which over long term, and that's a big mindset shift. So yeah, so don't be, the main point of this video is don't be a gambler, be an owner. Own the casino, don't bet on the casino. My name is Neil Doig, I am the founder of Money Tips, the author of Millennial Money Mindset, if you want the roots you need the roots, and the creator of Football Formation Asset Allocation, the card game that teaches you how to invest. Please like, please subscribe, and please tell one person about Millennial Money Mindset. If you want the fruits, you need the roots.
Money mindset.